Hello, my name is Sara. I'm a dietitian and diabetes educator. Today, let's make this gorgeous and delicious Mediterranean pasta salad. I'm making it vegetarian for myself, and then I'll add some marinated air-fried chicken to my husband's. First, let's make the dressing, which will also serve as a marinade for the chicken. The recipe is found in the description below. I try to include extra virgin olive oil in my diet some way every day. The healthy fats and phytochemicals in extra virgin olive oil have been shown to boost heart health, lower the risk of stroke, reduce inflammation, reduce the risk of depression, and may also reduce the symptoms of existing depression. You've probably heard of a Mediterranean diet. The word diet here not to be confused with a temporary diet for weight loss, but rather a permanent pattern of eating habits. People living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea tend to live longer, healthier lives. Following a Mediterranean eating pattern has been shown to promote weight loss, heart and brain health, and reduce the risk of cancer and diabetes, and can also help to improve blood sugar for those living with type 2 diabetes. The Mediterranean pattern of eating is rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, seafood, nuts, legumes, and olive oil. Next, we are going to chop the veggies, and I can't emphasize how important eating vegetables is for health. The general recommendation for most adults is to eat 2 to 3 cups of veggies per day. How many of us are actually consuming that? Well, according to a 2019 study conducted by the CDC, only about 10%. Sadly, in America, our diets tend to be very imbalanced, leaning heavily towards highly processed foods, full of refined grains, saturated fats, and sugar, a diet that promotes aging and disease. If there is one thing that most of us can do to improve our health, it is to eat more vegetables. Tomatoes are a great source of the antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene contributes to the protection of DNA from oxidative stress. It reduces inflammation along with the risk of stroke, heart disease, and cancer. Tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Cucumbers contain polyphenols called lignans, which may reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Cucumbers are also a rich source of the phytonutrient cucurbitacin, which may reduce the risk of cancer. The leading causes of death in the U.S. are heart disease and cancer. Fruit and vegetable intake is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease and cancer. Eating plants can truly benefit our health, and it's one of the keys to living a healthy life. Olives are a good source of vitamin E and healthy fats. I am using a mix of Castelvetrano and kalamata olives, but you can use whatever type you have on hand or like. Capers would also be good in this pasta. Did you know that one medium-sized red bell pepper provides 169% of the reference daily intake, or RDI, for vitamin C? That makes it one of the richest dietary sources of vitamin C. The phytochemical capsanthin is especially high in red bell peppers. Capsanthin is a powerful antioxidant responsible for the bell pepper's brilliant red color. Research is showing that capsanthin can be used in a treatment of various forms of cancer. I like to use Barilla Protein Pasta because I do follow a mostly vegetarian diet, and I like to add protein where I can. The Barilla Protein Pasta uses lentil, chickpea, barley, and spelt flour, which also ups the fiber content. If I can't find the Protein Plus pasta, I choose the Barilla whole grain because it also contains more fiber. The chicken has been marinating for about 30 minutes. I'm going to generously season with salt and pepper and cook it in the air fryer on 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to flip it over and cook it an additional 6 to 9 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, I'm going to add it into the chopped veggies. Here I realize the bowl I chose is a little too small, so I'm going to put it in a bigger bowl. Go ahead and add the vinaigrette and give it a good toss. Because I have it on hand, I'm also going to add just a little bit of freshly chopped parsley and basil. So tonight I'm going to serve this pasta salad on a bed of greens. To see how I like to prep and store salads to enjoy for the rest of the week, click on the video here. But you could also enjoy this pasta salad by itself or as a side dish. After I removed the chicken breast from the air fryer, I allowed it to rest for about 5 minutes before cutting it. And I'm actually only going to use about half of this chicken breast today. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into cubes and add it to my husband's salad. And here it is, Mediterranean pasta salad. I hope you make this recipe and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to eat your veggies. And as always, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.